Okay, so here we are again to a place that I like to call, I don't know, I'm just joking around. So 3, 2, 1, clap. Hey guys, so today we're going for a little ride. Yes. And it's a beautiful day. It's a Sunday, which is okay with me. Means there's weekend drivers, but hopefully less people on the road, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Woo! Get that torque going. But yeah, I wanted to talk about, what do you guys want to hear? Let's talk about, reasons to get a motorcycle. Yeah, why not? Let's start simple. Alright. So, reason number 1. It's cool as fuck. Hey, there's another one over there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And it's efficient. You get to ride around. You get to save money on gas. That 10,000 RPM going. Woo! Anyway, reason number 2. To be honest, motorcycles they activate, I think, the kid in us, all of us. Because I think we all grew up with some bikes or something. You know, bikes are prevalent all around the world. They're practically like chairs. You know, everyone's seen a bicycle. But yeah, it seems only natural to evolve it into a bicycle with a motor, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I decided to get on the highway, but I'm regretting it now. Whatever, it is what it is. It's kind of windy out here right now. Probably just gotta get off the section, but yeah, that's reason number 2. Reason number 3 to get a motorcycle is let's see, fun? I don't know. I guess I can say it's fun. That's the reason. Alrighty then. Reason number 4. Reason number 4 to get a motorcycle is they're cheap. They're very cheap. They're much cheaper than getting a car, actually. Most people don't know that, but yeah, they're super cheap. You can get a motorcycle for easily, you know, under $5,000, which is awesome, you know, for the people who are penny pinchers. But yeah, like I mean, seasonal motorcycles, you know, you can get them for just the summer here in Canada for the most part, unless you're, you know, you're hardcore, you know, and you want to bike all season around here. But it gets pretty damn cold and snowy here. But anyway, what was I going on about? Oh yeah, reason number 5 is oh, come on, buddy. Reason number 5 is you'd want to oh yeah, you learn a new skill, because you still gotta understand how the basic mechanics of the bike work in order for you to shift it, and know what gear you're in and other stuff like that for the most part. And yeah, it's just really rewarding, and you know, it challenges the mind from aging too early, especially if that's something that you're concerned about. And yeah, a lot of traffic actually right now for a Sunday afternoon. Reason number 6. Reason number 6. Oh wait, did we only say that we were gonna do 5 reasons? I don't even know anymore. I'll just give you guys another one. Reason number 6. Okay. The sixth reason, bonus reason, is you are not the only one who might enjoy it. Yes, that is reason number 6. You can always have a passenger that might really enjoy it, and so both of 2 people at the same time can actually enjoy the benefits of owning a motorcycle, or even just riding one, you know, from time to time. But yeah, there you have it. I think that's the reasons I'm gonna give you for today, but I think that was pretty fun. We'll see how that goes. And yeah.